FIMM integration configuration from the side. So now first we'll go ahead and define the plant. Go to SPRO. SAP reference IMG. So anything, whatever you want to define, so it will be under enterprise structure first. Go to enterprise structure, definition. So to define the plant is a part of logistic department. Go to logistic general, define plant. Click on new entry. Let's say our plant is TAH0. Hyderabad plant. Factory calendar you select 01. Save. Here you have to give the address of the plant. Company. Hyderabad plant. Country, India. So we have created one plant for Hyderabad. Another plant will create two plants. TA, VP, Vizag plant. So imagine your organization has two plants. One is in Hyderabad, somewhere at Shamirpet, another one is Vizag. They are manufacturing, example, pipes or steel. Okay, just imagine. You have created the plant. Back, go back, back. Division, define division. After plant, you have to write. Second point is define division. Click on execute, define division. TS, steel division. TP, pipes division. Okay, now you have defined the division. Go back. Now, once you define this logistic general, then come to the material management. Because in the logistic general, you are only defining the plant and division. Rest of the configuration you will be defining here, material management. Maintain purchase, storage location. See, in a plant is a place where you will be doing the manufacturing activities. And also, once you manufacturing your stock, you will be storing somewhere in the storage location. Okay. For that, you are creating the storage location also. What is the plant? Well, we have just created the plant, right? TAHP. What is that we have created? Okay, TAH0 we have created for Hyderabad. Enter storage location, you can give anything. So you can give same name TAH0. Storage location. Again, define the storage location for another plant also. Maintain storage location for another plant. TAVP. New entry location is TAVP. Storage location. Now go back. Storage location also I have written here in the Excel sheet. I have maintain storage location. Then we have to do the purchasing organization. Define purchasing organization. So we don't need to understand all this terminology because these are all exclusively settings. Click on new entry, P0 purchasing organization. So for every organization, there will be one purchasing organization, which is centrally only one purchasing organization will be there. Means with this purchasing organization, it will help the department in terms of purchasing the raw material. Any department required to purchase anything, they will approach the purchasing department. Then purchasing department is responsible to purchase the raw material. Save it. Now, once we're done with this, see, so far we have done in the definition. Under enterprise structure, we have done in a definition part. Now, once you define all these things, you have to do assignment. Go to enterprise structure. Instead of definition, go to assignment. Under logistics, assign company code to plant. New entry. Company code is TA00. Plant is TA H0. Again, company code is TA00. Another plant is TAVP. Save this. So we have just assigned our company code to plant. We have established a link between company code and plant. Then come to the material management. See, under logistic, we have only one assignment. Then come to the material management here. So here you need to assign your purchasing organization, whatever you have defined just now, to the company code, and assign purchasing organization to plant. Both assignment you have to do it. First part, assign purchasing organization to company code. So TAPO, our company code is TA00. So in this step, we are assigning purchasing organization to company code. This is just assignment. Now go back. Assign purchasing organization to plant. Click on new entry. TAP0. Our plant is TAHO. And again TAP0. TAVP. So one purchasing organization is enough for all the plants. Okay, so this is so far whatever the configuration we have done, this is related to definition and assignment, okay, of two departments, logistic general and MM. Now we'll exclusively do MM related setting. So FARSHI assignment also we have done. Now we'll define something related to logistic general here, material group and attributes to material type. Then some configuration setting will define related to material management. Okay. Now so far you have defined under enterprise structure. Now go to the logistic general. Find the logistic general here. Yeah. Under logistic general, you will have material master here. Under material master, you have setting for key field. Then after that, define material group. Click on new entry. Material group, you can give TA00 material group for your company code. Enter and save. After defining the material group, then you need to define the attributes of material type. So it will be under same logistic general. Under logistic general, you have material master, then basic settings, define attributes of material types. So what do you mean by material type means? You have different types of material, raw material, packaging material, semi-finished material, finished goods material. So for all these, for each type of material, you need to create one material type. Okay. For raw material, one material type. For packaging material, another material type. For semi-finished goods, another material type. For finished good, another material type. Okay. So now click on define attributes of material type. So as per the standard, SAP has given standard material type for raw material is ROH. ROH is the standard material type. HALB is the standard material type for semi-finished product. FERT is the standard material type for finished product. Okay, instead of using the standard one, okay, I have created we can create our own also. So let's say to create the ROH, to create the custom raw material, just click on copy, just add anything here, Y, Z, X. Let's say we'll create XROH. We are just copying the standard material type for raw material to XROH. Enter, 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 and save. Then for finished goods, FERT, copy this. Instead of FERT, I will keep XCRT. Either you can use standard one because this is shared server, right? We are using. So I don't want to use the standard one. I want to use my own customized XCRT for finished product. Save this. So we have created our own customized material type. XRO for ROH for material, raw material. Double click here. Then find out our plant. FA TAH0, update the quantity update, activate. And for TAVP also, quantity update. Value update also, you will have to activate these two options. Same way, you have to do the same exercise for your finished product also. Sorry, finished product, XCRT. Double click here, TAH0, TAVP. Quantity update and value update. Okay. Once you do this, another configuration settings. So I have already noted down here, but you can follow my recording also for this. See, material type XROH. Semi-finished goods, I am not creating you because once we do product costing, then that time it will be useful, not useful for yours. XCRT. Okay. To raw material type. Here we have to activate the quantity update and value update. Activate quantity update and value update with reference to valuation area or plant. See what we have done here. If you look at here, XROH, see quantity update or value update with reference to valuation area. Valuation area means plant. Okay, we have activated quantity update and value update. Then carry out overall maintenance of plant. Carry out overall maintenance of plant. So it will be under material management. So far you have seen under logistic general, right? Now logistic general we have done so far. Now we have to find out where is material management. Under material management, consumption based planning. Under consumption based planning, plant parameter, then carry out overall maintenance of plant. Execute. So here you just no need to do anything. You just need to copy from the standard plant. See, standard plant 1710 is given from our plant TAH0. You just need to copy. Yes. 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 Same way you copy from 1710 to Vizag plant. Click on copy. So all the values, whatever is required, it will be copied. If you want to see, just go to the maintain, give your plant TAH0, TAH0. Click on maintain. See, everything is maintained here. Number and maintain. Only MRP control is not maintained. So now, I mean, it is not matter for you because this will be done by at the time of CO. Maintain. All other parameters are maintained except this MRP controller. This is only required when you do the CO scenario. Same way, you can check your other plant, TABD. All are maintained except MRP control. Then after that, create purchasing group. See, already I have written here overall maintenance. Now after this, you have to write create purchasing group. So even purchasing group also a part of material master. Under material master, you have called one node called purchasing. Material master, purchasing. 1 minute. Under material master, you have purchasing. Under purchasing, you have create purchase group. This one. Execute. Enter TA0. Purchase group for TA00. Then we need to define the tolerance limit for price variance. Set tolerance limit for price variance. This point. So this will also come under material management. Under material management, inventory and physical inventory would be there. Under material management, inventory management and physical inventory. Okay. expand this. Under this, you have called plant parameter. No, sorry. Under so we are doing tolerance limit for price variance, right? So under material master, material management, we have purchasing. Then we have purchase order here. Now set tolerance limit for price variance here. So here you need to select transaction key PE and SE. Select from standard company code PE and SE. Click on copy. Just change your company code TA00. Enter. Again for this also TA00. Okay, what we have done, just we have selected the transaction key PE and SE and copied to our company code. Then we have to define the plant parameter. So set tolerance limit for price variance we have done. Now define the plant parameter. So all these things are done by the consultant. You don't need to worry. You don't need to understand the detail of it. What are the things we need to understand? I will show you. Plant parameters. Define plant parameter. Then for this also come to the material management.
Sir, we don't have to create this as a part of our practice as well.
No, you have to create. Otherwise, how can you do your practice? How can you integrate? You are getting my point. If you
Yes,
do configure to your company code, then only you will be able to integrate, right?
yes.
For our practice,
So
you have to do it.
you told consultant will do this.
So who is their consultant in our training? We have to do it. That's what I am doing it. See,
Okay.
while doing the practice, we have to do it. But in a real time, consultant will do it. If somebody is
But
learning here in our batch, then he will do it.
and sir, in interview they won't ask this configuration.
No, they won't ask this. That is what I am telling you. Whatever they ask, I will explain you. Okay. I mean, what are the things are expected from FI?
Okay.
So inventory management and physical inventory. Then plant parameter. Select 1710. Copy. Just change it to your plant. FAH0, whatever the plant we are creating. Okay. I have created TAHO and TAVP. Save this. Same way, repeat this exercise for another plant, TAVP. So whatever the plant you are creating, you have to change accordingly. Then again, you have to do set tolerance limit. Then again, you have to define the tolerance limit. This is for price variance. This tolerance limit will be for some other things. Maybe good receipt. We'll see. So for this set tolerance limit, again, you have to go to the material management. Material management. Inventory and physical inventory. Then again, under this good receipt, set tolerance limit. Means this tolerance limit is as same as tolerance group in finance. Okay. But here we have to set tolerance limit for price variance and tolerance limit at the time of good receipt. Execute. So here you need to select B1, B2 and VP. If you look at here, B1 is for order price quantity variance, GR, moving average price. B1, B2 and VP. Select all these three. So this is the 1710. I think it's a standard company code given in the server or INT. Any company code you can select, copy, change it to your company code, TA00, again TA00, change it to TA00. Save this. Then up to here, okay. Up to here, settings are over, and there are few are there, okay. Let's say set tolerance limit again. Again another other. So this is I will write. Again, you have to define another set tolerance limit. So this limit will be for another. Go to the material management. Logistic invoice verification. Invoice block. Set tolerance limit. So this tolerance limit is for logistic invoice verification or invoice block. Here in this case, you need to select BD and ST. Select BD and ST. Okay, now copy. Change it to your company code TA00. Enter. Then TA00. Enter. Save. Now, last setting from side is invoice verification in background. Invoice verification in background. Here, invoice verification in background. Define automatic status change. Just add your company code, or you can select, copy, add your company code here, TA00. So all the configuration related to is over here. Define automatic status change. Configuration is over here.